What's a slide? Where's the zoom control? How do you view a presentation? If you're new to PowerPoint or just need a refresher, reviewing how to navigate the environment and access basic tools can be very helpful. Let's start with the ribbon, which is the collection of tools and features at the top of the screen. The ribbon is divided into tabs like Design, Insert, and Home to help you find what you're looking for quickly and easily. Also making things easier to find is the fact that all the commands are kept together in groups. For example, the font group contains everything we need to work with text, including font color, size, and more. There's even a special tab that appears when you select certain items, like text, to give you access to special groups of commands. If you look closely at the upper left corner above the ribbon, you'll find the Quick Access toolbar. This little toolbar is designed to give you access to frequently used commands like save and undo, no matter where you are on the ribbon. Now let's take a look at the presentation itself. A presentation is what we call a PowerPoint file, and each presentation contains one or more slides, exactly like a slideshow. One of the easiest ways to navigate and work with your slides is to use the Slides tab in the left pane. Here you can add, delete, duplicate, and rearrange the contents of your presentation. Also in the left pane is the Outline tab, which displays the text you have on each slide instead of a thumbnail. On the right side of the window are two more features you can use to navigate your presentation. Just click and drag the scroll bar to jump to any particular slide, or use the arrows below that to navigate between the previous slide and the next slide. Now let's take a look at the tools at the very bottom. That includes the zoom control, which lets you zoom in and out using the plus or minus signs, or the slider in the middle. Further to the right is a feature I use frequently. Just click this button and it automatically zooms in or out to fit your slide perfectly to the current window. Finally, you have the ability to change the way you view your presentation using the slide view buttons here. Your choices include slide sorter, full screen views like reading view and slideshow, and of course normal, which is the default view. When you open PowerPoint 2010, the first thing you'll see is a blank presentation with a single empty slide. But what if you had another presentation in front of you that wasn't blank? Maybe something you've already been working on. How would you go about creating a new file? Start by clicking the File tab to go to the Backstage view. Then click New. You can either open a new blank presentation, which is highlighted automatically, or a sample template that's installed on your computer, or a template downloaded from office.com, specifically designed for PowerPoint presentations and slides. A template is just a file that's already been put together, both to help you save time and create a presentation that looks professional. Some PowerPoint templates include graphic themes, animations, even tips to help you develop your presentation. This time, however, let's go ahead and select the blank presentation here, click Create, and it will open in a new window. To open an existing presentation that's already saved to your computer, click File to return to the Backstage view. If the presentation you're looking for is something you've worked on recently, you might be able to find it under Recent, where your most recent files are listed here on the right. Otherwise, the easiest way to open any file is to click Open, which takes you to the files and the folders on your computer. Now select the presentation you're looking for, click Open, and it appears in a new window.